No. Okay, hi Miss Moshe. For today, I'm going to be doing, for my science experiment, I'm going to be doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. I have a bowl with yeast that I mixed with warm water. I have hydrogen peroxide with 1/3 from using a measuring cup. And then I've got some food coloring. So once I put the yeast into the hydrogen peroxide, it's supposed to become into a very hot substance. So I'm going to add in the food coloring now. I'm going to add some on the side, so when it comes up, it's going to have some food coloring on the side too. Next I'm going to use green. Okay, and now I'm going to put in the yeast. It's slowly coming up, but it is. And there. It's not the coolest, but it is still kind of cool. Thank you for watching. Bye.